An LLC is legally distinct from the members who own it. The doctrine of piercing the corporate veil ignores this distinction and treats the entity and owners as one. Limited liability is set aside, and owners can be held liable for the entity's debts. Sky Cable LLC versus DIRECTV Incorporated spotlights a twist on the doctrine known as reverse veil piercing. Randy Coley engaged in a multimillion-dollar fraud. He resold DIRECTV's cable programming and pocketed the service charges for himself. Coley's fraudulent scheme triggered litigation among multiple parties. Initially, DIRECTV dealer Sky Cable sued Coley for lost revenue. As part of the same case, DIRECTV won a judgment against Coley for over $2.3 million. Coley didn't have significant personal assets, so DIRECTV wasn't able to collect on the judgment. DIRECTV turned to Coley's three LLCs, its Thundertime, East Coast Sales, and South Raleigh Air. Coley was the sole member of each entity, but none of the entities had been a party to the case. Coley alone was answerable to DIRECTV's judgment. DIRECTV moved to pierce the corporate veil and use the LLC's assets to satisfy the judgment. Traditionally, a court pierces the veil of limited liability and holds an owner personally liable for the entity's obligations. DIRECTV sought reverse veil piercing. It wanted to hold the entities liable for the owner's personal obligation. The district court granted the motion in favor of reverse veil piercing. It amended the judgment, making the LLCs judgment debtors along with Coley. Coley appealed to the Fourth Circuit.